Hi, this is Balaji. Now going to see the student Marksheet creation using MS Excel. For that, I taken 10 students records. Of 10 students records, and I have 4 subjects will be taken. So we have to create student Marksheet. For that, we have to use this table. For the student mark sheet, we have to use total mark of each student and percentage of student and pass or fail and grade of students will be we have to create. Okay, for that, for total mark we have to select the cell and we have to put equal, and for total we have to add all the subject marks. So for that we have to put sum, and we have to open the bracket, and we have to select the all the subject of each student, and we have to close the bracket and we have to put enter. So we're getting a total mark of the student, and we have to see the percentage of student. Means you have to click the cell, percentage cell, and you have to put equal, and you have to select the total mark, and we have to divide the total subject. Means we getting percentage. So for that we have to select the total mark. So for this we have select the G3 cell will be selected. So G column and third row will be selected, and we have to put divide, and we have to give 4 subject. We have to taken as 4 subjects. For that we have to give 4. So we have to enter. So the percentage will be get. For first student we get, for Selvam we get total marks and percentage. The pass and fail, and pass and fail, we have to check that each subject we taken about 50 marks only pass, otherwise the students will be fail. For that we have to use if command. So we have to type equal and type if and open the bracket, and you have to select the first subject. So I will select max. Selvam first subject is max. So I like select C3 will be selected, cell will be selected C3, and that is greater than 50. We have to check first condition. If put comma and they ask in true value, we have to check another subject condition. Okay, for that we have to type again if and open the bracket, and we have to select next subject of Selvam, and that is also greater than 50. Means we have to put 50, and we have to put comma, and next subject we have to select. For that we have to type if and open the bracket, and we have to type the next condition, that is also greater than 50. We have to check, and you have to type true command. Next subject you have to select. For the if and open the bracket, and you have to type next subject, and that is also greater than 50. If 4 subject will be selected, all the subjects are greater than. First of all we have to give true value and pass value. So first for last cell we selected, we have to give the true value. For the first, the English subject, the F3 cell is English subject. So in that subject they get 50 above, means they will be pass, otherwise we have to type fail. After that we have to close the bracket. So next they asking next if condition. So we have to type true value again. Okay, you have to put yeah, already true value will be this if condition will be taken for true value, and you have to type false value. False value will be for fail will be selected. False will be fail will be selected, and we have to type close the bracket, and this whole will be taken for true value, and we have to put comma, and we have to type fail again, and again you have to close the bracket, and you have to type again fail value. So and close the bracket. So all the if conditions are, you have to check before all the if condition open brackets are closed. We have to check and give enter. So we getting pass. Then all the marks are above 50. So we getting pass. So we and next one is you have to check the grade. If pass means we getting grade. So the grades are, if the particular person is pass, means if grade is 91 to 100 A plus, 81 to 90 A, 71 to 80 B plus, 61 to 70 B, 51 to 60 C, less than 50 U, that is U means fail. So for that we have to generate this also we can do using a if command. So for that you have to type equal. So we have to type if. First of all we have to check the pass or fail. For that we have to select this I3 ith column and third row we have to select. If it is equal to pass means we have to, if this condition is true means we have to give the this conditions 91 to 91 to 100 A plus, 81 to 90 A, 71 to 80 the B plus, 61 to 70 B, 51 to 60 C, and less than 50 we have to give. So for that we have to use ifs command. So we have to know if and ifs command detailedly. We have to see my previous videos. We have to know more about if and ifs command, how to use. And we have to select the logic. We have to say asking logical test. We have to select the percentage column. We have to select. If percentage is 91 to 100 means we getting A plus. So based on the percentage we getting a grade. So select the percentage cell. So that is greater than 90. 90 greater than means we have to put A plus. So A plus we have to get. A plus we have to get, and we have to put comma. So next to logic we have to given. Okay, for that you also again you have to select percentage cell, and we have to greater than, that is greater than 80. Greater than 80 means we have to put we have to type greater than 80 means we have to give A grade, and again you have to give next logic. You have to again select uh, S3, and we have to greater than 70 means we have to give B plus grade, and again you have to give logic. So S3 is greater than 60 means that is we have to give B grade, and again logic we have to give. So S3 is greater than 50 means we have to give C grade you have to give. So the after you have to close this bracket. All the true values are given. If fail means directly the we have to this will be taken as true value. The ifs will be taken as true value. If the this cell is percentage cell is pass means this will be check, and the particular grade will be assigned. If this if condition is fail means the percentage will be pass will be fail means we which put as U grade. So you have to type at the end of the command. Okay, so and if you push enter we getting A grade. So after that you have to select all the, and you have to double click. So we getting a total of total all the students total, and percentage for particular students, and we getting a pass or fail we getting. So we getting a if the percentage will be 64, but they given as fail because of they getting 39 in one subject. Okay, so getting fail, and the fail means you getting he getting a U grade. Otherwise based on the percentage he getting particular grade. So 87 means A grade, 92 means A plus grade, and 76 means B plus grade, and 60 means C grade, and 61 means, so we getting B grade. So above 70 we getting a B plus grade. So likewise we can generate student Marksheet using Excel. Thank you for watching.